Played 2, we won 2.
Thank you very much. I'm very honored, and I look forward to seeing you guys in a few weeks when spring training starts.
What's up, man?
What's going on?
Good to see you, man. I saw last week.
Easy, easy.
What's your favorite part about the rum bucket?
The favorite part of the rum bucket is when you finish and go get another one.
What number?
333.
Make it 334.
Oh, yeah. Welcome to another class of Art Class with Herm. If you couldn't tell already, I'm Herm, the only one here in the room. Big shout outs to Miles, too, who gave David Wright a mohawk. I thought that was really awesome. I love when people do that sort of thing. That's what's great about drawing. You can do anything you want. Hug your friends and family. It's socially distanced air hugs. So this is going to be our drawing today of Shea Stadium. It's just like this. You guys did a great job. Mine is crazy. This class, we are going to be drawing the 7 p.m. clap at 7 p.m. every day as a big thank you to all of our first responders and essential workers. At least here in Brooklyn, everybody goes outside and they bang on pots and pans and they clap. It means a lot to me. My mom's a nurse down in New Jersey. We're going to be drawing one of, I think, the coolest ladies ever, Joan Payson. I love the idea of Mr. Met driving a train. Anyway, I'm rambling. Have a great day. I love you. We'll see you next week. Bye.
We are back.
Yeah.
Back at it. Orange and Blue Thing, Season 4, Episode 5, with a 4-month break in between. So now we are in the Seven Lines truck in the Citi Field parking lot. I'm Darren Mean, and that is Pete McCarthy. How you doing, Pete?
I'm all right. I haven't started knitting or picked up some new super talent or skill. I've mostly wasted my time scrolling through my phone. The Google Calendar has been completely remade.
Yeah.
Mostly with the delete button. But
The Home Run Apple inflatable. And they are here. So, Megan, how tall are you? So if you buy a headband, we'll throw 5 face masks in for free. Neither of us got to see the greatness of Tom Seaver on the mound.
He's without a doubt the greatest man of all time. How is it taking this long to get a statue? Anything? Isn't it crazy how fast we went from 5 aces to Jacob deGrom and like whoever the fuck wants to pitch that day?
Right.
Welcome to Big Apple Trivia, and he's going to be playing with us. My dog is barking. I'm so sorry. Oh my God, can you hear my dog screaming upstairs? Yes. So, are you ready to play?
Let's do it.
I'm going to read off a list of bizarre injuries or illnesses that only a past or present New York Met could have possibly endured. Severed part of his fingers with a hedge trimmer.
Bobby Hita.
Correct. Valley fever.
Ike Davis.
Correct. Prolonged concussion by boarding a team airplane.
Ryan Church.
Correct. You need one more. Hit in the dick with a Justin Verlander fastball with no cup on.
Wilma Flores.
No. Broke wrist while moving furniture.
Shit. Duda.
Yes, correct! You got
He's our friend and yours, the one, the only, number 5, and soon to be father of 3,
Yes.
David Wright. What's up, David?
What's going on, guys? What an introduction.
GQ, I guess, comes calling.
Of course, for me, it was a hard no. And, my agent's like, dude, you got to do this. It's so cool. And then Jose comes and he's like, dude, you got to do this. It's going to be so cool. So I got peer pressured kind of into it. Jose, Julia nailed it, that's the way he dressed. He could wear anything, and he's got his 6-pack showing. Me, I'm like, okay, do you got anything that can hide my love handles? To this day, whether it's my brothers or my friends, about once a month I get a picture of that, just making fun of me, like on a group text or something. But there's not many people that can say that they we're in GQ, so I'll
That
take
is
that.
true.
I never bring a glove to a game, but I brought one to that one. So I was like, David's gonna hit a home
going
run,
deep.
and I'm gonna catch it. So
Well, thanks for the, thanks. I guess I disappointed you. I'm sorry.
what was harder, the battle back for you to get to that game, or to sit through a 13-inning 0-0 game to finally give your speech?
Well, honestly, one of the memories that I have from that game, and I think it was Julia or one of her friends, had a sign that said, "Olivia's got to go to bed."
It was past Olivia's bedtime. That was me.
Yeah, and I got a big kick out of that. That connection with the fans is real, and I'd like to think that there was a mutual respect there. And I know that I didn't always come through, but I promise you that the effort was there, the passion and the love for that organization, that city, those fans. Paw Patrol is the easiest choice because, selfishly, I kind of like it more than the other cartoons. One of my favorite movies, Top Gun, You've Lost That Loving Feeling. So I'll stick with that. I'm not hiding behind that. I'm not ashamed of it. Sounds good, guys. Thanks for having me. That was a lot of fun.
Julia, you got through it. Enjoy your winters, everyone.
Happy off season.
Hopefully the world is in a better place very soon and we can enjoy our time together. I'm about to spring something on Lizzie. We've been in business since 2009, end of 2009. We are now going to offer in-person pickup.
What? Great idea, Darren.
Well, it is a great idea because neither of us, I was going to run the truck sale, but then everyone has to touch our iPads. We're not trying to do that. The world is weird and we're just trying to keep up. Thank you, guys.
Every time it rains, Shooby-dooby, all over town.
Play it again.